Hello, I'm Ian. This is a quick video to show how to set origin to bottom of objects in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use the default scene. We have the default script, close up to view it, and I want to show it clearly. I switch it to X-ray mode and show wireframe here. And then we can see that the origin is at the center. This is our orange point. If we want to set origin to the bottom, we can use an add-on. So we can go to Edit and then go to Preferences and then go to Get Extensions, and we can search 3D viewports by menus. And then we can press Install to install these add-ons. Now we can close the preferences and then we can use shortcuts Ctrl Alt X. We can have the pie menu and then we can set origin to bottom, or we can press 2 to set origin to bottom of object. I press it, so we can see that the orange point is at the bottom of the object. Furthermore, if we want to set the origin to the center, we can press Ctrl Alt X again, and then we have option to set origin to mask, set origin to geometry, or origin to volume. It depends on situation. I will use set origin to geometry. So we can see that the origin is at the center of objects. So this is how we can set origin to bottom of objects in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.